Happy Transfer Tuesday, everybody. Today, we're doing a get ready with me because I'm exhausted. I don't really have time to get ready and film a video just because there's a lot to do today. It's the day after Labor Day, and always when there's some holiday on a Monday, the next Tuesday feels like a very rushed Tuesday / Monday, and then you forget because it's actually Tuesday. You know, it's a weird thing. So we're doing a get ready with me. I'm gonna pull my hair up so I can do half of it. Yeah, yesterday we celebrated my daughter's first birthday. I will overlay that here. Some pictures. We did a little smash cupcake for her, and it was really funny. She really enjoyed that cupcake and the frosting. So I'm going to start off by straightening my hair. Just the easiest thing. I thought about a bun. I'm sorry, my bedroom is so messy. I'm in our master bath right now. Just trying to just make that hair look a lot less messy than it actually is this morning. So, all right, let's get into Transfer Tuesday. But first, every Transfer Tuesday, I like to talk about what goals I've been working on, what our goals are for the short term, the long term, all that fun stuff, and what we've done to and what we're doing to make our money goals happen. So let's start off, as we always do, with our long-term goals. Long-term goal is to retire. I think that's everybody's long-term goal. They always want to retire unless you really like working. So we are moving towards our fire movement goals. We have our fire number. We are about 13% to it. Getting there, chugging along. And we are working towards diversifying our portfolio. So yeah, that is our longer term goal. I would say long-term goals are over a year for us, and short-term goals are less than a year for us. Another, I guess, longer term goal, we aren't quite sure if this is going to be a long-term goal or a short-term goal, but is to finish the basement in our home. So we do have an unfinished basement currently at the moment. We built our house, and just to have a little bit more space to grow, we're looking, and to increase the home value, we're looking to finish out the basement, and we're not quite sure how or when we're going to do that. Construction right now is really crazy. Our home was delayed for 6 months because of shortages during COVID, all that fun stuff. So, and we'll get that more into Transfer Tuesday. Short-term goals is to grow the YouTube chans and for braces. And I've got some updates for you guys. Really awesome updates. So we are hoping to grow my other YouTube channel where I talk about Salesforce. I do a lot of Salesforce tutorials. Salesforce is a database software that's cloud-based, and it was the long-term career that I had before having kids, and I still do some of that. We're hoping to grow that to about 5,000. As of right now, I'm at 1,280. So we're getting close. That 5,000 doesn't really have a year on it. As far as for this channel, I am hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of the year, or maybe a year from starting this channel. I upload here about twice a week, most weeks. My daughter is getting 3 teeth, so there might not be a Friday video, but that is the goal. I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. So yeah, the goal for this week was to get 1 new subscriber, and I did. You guys are so awesome. I now have 15 subscribers on this channel, and we are getting close. So that is about 1.5% of our goal. If I did the math correctly. I'm a really tired mom this morning. Yeah. As far as progress for this next week, I'm hoping to get another subscriber, bump this up to 16, and bump the other one up to 1,300. I'll link that channel below if you guys are wanting to check it out, if you know what Salesforce is, curious, or you think it could help you out. Let's talk about the money goal that we made this week. It's so weird when I have like one partial eye done or one eyebrow done. Do you guys feel that way when like you have one thing done and not the other? The Transfer Tuesday part of today. My husband got a new job today. Well, he started his new job today, and it's really exciting, and it really is his dream job. Just for safety reasons, I'm not gonna say where he works, but he works in the Salesforce industry. Things are going really well. And so one of our short-term goals is for me to get braces because my teeth are all whacked up, and the company offers an HSA. And so that'll be able to help with the braces, as well as good insurance that is going to pay a substantial amount of the braces, but not all of them. Yeah, so that was the Transfer Tuesday this week. And we are kind of working on figuring out what investment vehicles are going to help us reach our longer term goals. So specifically, we kind of worked this weekend and talked a lot about our financial order of operation. A substantial emergency fund, that is the #1 goal, of about 6 months of expenses. I'm just going over with some eyeliner, or not eyeliner, some eyeshadow. And then after that, it is funding our Roth IRAs. And then after that, it'll be funding our HSA. After that, it'll be funding a 401k. And then the next part is really saving for our basement, and how we're not sure about if this is a longer term goal or if it's a shorter term goal, is how we're going to save for it. If it's going to be more than a year out, I think that we should go with a brokerage fund and start putting cash into ETFs. If it's not, I want to go into a high yield savings account. We're still trying to figure out how much it's going to cost and kind of what we want to do with our basement. We ruled out turning that into a rental just because we don't want to have to deal with a rental, and it'll be nice just to have the space for our family as we grow. And then we have an option of putting a bathroom and an extra bedroom down there, and we're not sure if we just want to turn it into one big playroom or if we want to turn it into an extra bedroom down there in case we have family visit. If and when we have another baby, it'll be really nice to, sorry, I got an Apple Watch notification. It'll be really awesome to have grandparents stay there to help out with Jelly Bean. Yeah, but you know, we're not sure if it'll be more kids now or later, before or after. It'd be nice just to get it done. Have 2021 or 2022-ish, those few years right in there, be 100% all construction years. And yeah, actually today we're getting the inspection on our solar panels. So we'll be able to turn those on, and I would probably, if you guys would be interested in it, be able to do a video on the solar panel process, kind of how we went through picking a company, we went through picking all that fun stuff, and kind of the financials of it. So yeah, you can see I've got really deep bags under my eyes. It was a fun party, but I am pooped. Do you guys ever get that where you're just like super pooped after a party? Especially a party that you threw for children? I've got my caffeine right here. So that was this week's Transfer Tuesday. I'm continuing to work on my portfolio analyzer spreadsheet. I did a little bit more research. It is 20 into the kind of investment strategy that I'm working with and working through. It is no more than 20% in one sector and no more than 5% in a single stock. I'm gonna try and decide this week if I want the spreadsheet to say like ETFs as the same thing as a single stock, because it's not a single stock, it's an ETF. I would love to hear your suggestions on high yield savings accounts. I know there's a bunch out there. There's Ally, and there's Yada, there's a lot of stuff, but I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts. So please drop down in the comments down below if you think that we should do brokerage or if we should do high yield for saving for our finished basement. If you want to, I can do a before and after video if and when we decide to finish that basement out. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great Transfer Tuesday. Let me know down in the comments what you're working on this Transfer Tuesday, what you've been working on this week. I'd love to hear. Except this is great, especially cold during summertime. But thank you for joining me. I'll catch you guys next week.